This is a tutorial for a heart-shaped updo. It's easy like making an odango, but it's cuter because it has the shape of a heart. Okay, let's start. Start off by brushing the hair from the hair tips till the hairline. This will make the hair look sleeky. Brush your hair slowly, because if you brush too fast, it will damage your hair. The brush which I use is called a paddle brush. Now brush your hair on the other side. Done! Now it's time to brush the hair backwards. Now lift your hair up. This is easier if you lower your head. Now bind your hair with the hair tie together and then split your hair in two equal parts, just like this. Now pick out a wisp of hair and tease it with a teasing comb. Don't worry, it's really easy to untangle. Fix it with hairspray. Repeat that with all wisps of hair, so it should look like this. Yay! If you did this with the other side of the hair too, you can form the heart. For this, you need to loop a third of the left side of your ponytail under the right side. Just like this. Don't forget to shape it while pushing it up and forwards. Fix it with hairspray. And hold it for a few seconds. After the shaping, fix your hair with bobby pins. Okay, now let's do the same thing with the other side. Loop a third of the right side of your ponytail under the left side and fix it with bobby pins and hairspray. You're done! Have fun trying out this hairstyle. See you!